A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is strategic foresight, when righteousness leads the vision. Ladies and gentlemen, across civilizations and centuries, humanity has searched for a reliable compass, one that guides action amid uncertainty and ambition amid complexity. Strategic foresight emerges from this search, not merely as the ability to anticipate outcomes, but as the capacity to see wisely before acting. When foresight is guided by righteousness, vision transforms from calculation into coherence, aligning human intent with the cosmic intelligence that governs life itself. Strategic foresight at its highest expression is humanity's quiet ability to recognize this order and to move with it. Every meaningful human journey begins with a subtle inner signal, a desire to move beyond the present state, and a quiet yet persistent impulse to aspire, to improve, and to contribute. Science now affirms what ancient wisdom long understood. Intention is formative, shaped by values, beliefs, and meaning. It reorganizes neural pathways, sharpens perception, and conditions choice. As desire stabilizes, it acquires direction. Direction matures into vision. Vision is not always a clearly drawn destination. Sometimes it is sharp and defined. At other times, it is felt more as direction than detail. Often, it functions more like navigation by stars, points of orientation rather than destinations. Ancient navigators did not command the ocean. They aligned with its rhythms. Physics offers other parallels. Particles behave differently when observed, and systems evolve based on initial conditions. Similarly, vision influences outcomes not only through planning but through the quality of attention, consistency of action, and coherence of purpose applied over time. As intent clarifies, orchestration begins. Thought becomes selective. Planning gains proportion. Action finds timing. Complexity science shows that systems endure not through rigidity but through adaptive balance. Human endeavors follow the same principle. When effort is aligned, execution requires less force and yields greater precision. Righteousness in this context is not moral instruction, it is structural integrity, the alignment between inner intent and outer impact. Biology recognizes this as coherence. Physics recognizes it as symmetry. Ancient wisdom names it dharma, the sustaining principle that allows order to arise without enforcement. When vision is born from such alignment, it resonates with cosmic intelligence, the self-organizing logic evident in galaxies, ecosystems, and consciousness itself. Actions taken in this state generate outcomes that are not merely effective but regenerative. Energy invested in alignment returns transformed, first as inner clarity and steadiness, strengthening the individual from within, and then as outcomes that last, carrying strength forward. Strategic foresight is the orchestration of intent, thought, planning, and execution, and when rooted in righteousness, it does not chase results, it prepares conditions, and when conditions are right, outcomes emerge, often exceeding original intent. What's the way forward? The way forward is not sharper prediction, but deeper calibration. Strategic foresight matures when clarity of intent, integrity of action, and awareness of consequence operate as one system. In an age of acceleration, the most enduring advantage is not speed or dominance, but alignment with principles that outlast cycles. Such foresight does not demand certainty, it demands correctness of direction. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when righteousness leads vision, progress ceases to be fragile. Strategy becomes continuity, action becomes contribution. This timeless truth echoes in the revered Bhagavad Gita, where Lord Krishna affirms that action aligned with righteousness is never lost, never wasted, and never without protection. Even a small step taken on this path safeguards the entire journey. What is aligned does not need to be pushed. It simply unfolds. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.